Okay. Can you do one thing? Just put Tomcat instead of the Tomcat 8.5. Just put Tomcat because that is where we tried. Muthu, you tried Tomcat only, right?
Yes, Vijay.
Okay. So now user local web apps. That's fine. And we are copying the WAR file. Port 8080 because that is the image. Okay. And can you go back to the command prompt and show me the command which you typed? Okay. So go for the file, Docker file. Go for the notepad. Okay. So now, okay, can you just copy paste, create a Docker file and run it? Basically, by default, the image, the document root, they don't have any sample apps. Normally, they should have.
Okay. Do I make
No.
changes to the same?
In the Docker file, you remove that 8.5.47. We have to check with the Tomcat. We'll do one thing. Just without the okay. Can you remove Tomcat? Yes. Keep count Tomcat, and even work directory. You remove it. Yeah, even the run also you remove it. We want to test. Okay, and now you save this and run it. By default, we need to check. Okay, and then we will deploy the sample app and then we will check it. Okay, now run this Docker build. Docker space. Docker space build. Yeah. So you clear out everything after you executed. Okay. So now do a Docker. Raj, yes, I given access. You can unmute.
No, Jay. So this for next
Okay.
person. Right? Yeah.
Okay. Docker PS enter. Okay. Now can you access from outside this IP?
But this is the previous one with.
Can you do a Docker PS space -a? So if this.
Yeah,
Okay.
but this is the previous image that I built. So this is not the one I updated because I didn't run like Docker run for the present one.
Yeah. Can you run it now with the detach mode? Can you run it? The detach mode. The one which we built. Yeah, Tomcat 1 is now we built, right? Docker run space name, whatever you want. Maybe the same name so that we can identify the same. But we may get
DIT.
Yeah. No. There is no. There should not be any space. -dit. No, -dit. Check that
Okay,
space.
sorry.
Enter.
Because that port is already.
Yeah.
Do I give a different port?
Yeah. The name. You can change. No. The same command -name. no, -name Tomcat 2. You can put name 2.
And here port 8, I'll do 82.
Yeah. So now you check Docker space ps space a. Okay. Now, can you access this port 82 from out? From your IP? You are using Azure or Google Cloud?
Google Cloud.
You opened all the ports, right?
Yeah, this is the earlier one. That one.
Okay. Yeah. So now you go back to your notepad, copy your notepad, create a Docker file and put it run as a different port. Yeah. Can you copy this? Which means the first official image, right? We need to add this sample web app var, or we need to find out and we need to deploy it. Yeah. Copy this and create a Docker file.
But this is the current Docker file.
No, copy this. Copy entire one. Go to your Docker file. We have removed all the steps, right? Now you replace with this that Docker file. vi yeah, Docker file. Yeah, remove all these three. Yeah, now go to insert mode and paste it. Yeah, now you save, create an image with the tag name of Tomcat hyphen something new or something. Okay, now you build the image Docker space build space -t with some a good a new name. Yeah, yeah, Tomcat new or something. Yeah, enter it. Okay, now you do a Docker space images. Docker space images. Yes. Okay, now using that Tomcat underscore new, can you launch instance with a different port, different name also? No, port 82, you need to change it because already port is used. Yeah, maybe. Enter. Okay. Now, can you do a Docker space ps space ps -a? Okay. So now, can you access that? The one which we launched, port 85. Okay. Can you go back to your Google and Google Cloud account? Can I request a control? If not, probably I'll test it and share later today.
No, because same IP is working with port 80.
No, wait. I'm controlling. Wait. So here, come down. Network, networking, VPC network, firewall. Go here.
Okay, I have to open NSG.
No, wait. So port 80. So normally while learning, I prefer to go with all ports. So allow all. Down. Targets all. And sources 0.0.0.0/0. Come down. Allow all. Create it. Allow all. it. I'm going here. I'm going here. This is the IP, right? Okay, this is the IP, right?
Yes, that is it.
Okay, so here now, just remove this because we are not HTTPS 85, right? Okay, so it's reaching, but it's going. Okay, give me today. Probably I can create in my environment. Then I can send you the steps in WhatsApp group.
Okay.
We
Because
don't want
I
to.
went to exec mode and that
No.
what
The idea here is we need to run as a different port. That is the idea. But now it's going to the machine because we opened the port. So it's a one-time Azure and AWS and all. Every time you need to update into the security group. But in Google Cloud, it's a one-time because it's outside layer here. So you need to add this port every time. So if you want, you can remove it or you can keep it during the learning. So any other person want to, before I start, explain a couple of topics today? Raj. Yeah, you already presented.
Hi, Vijay. So
You can share your screen, Raj. Because today there are a couple of people, they keep requested how to do the complete pipeline. So I'll show everyone. Yeah, go ahead.
is my screen visible, Vijay?
Yes.
Okay, I am just choose the use case for Ansible where we are checking one of the packages installed or not. So if not, we are installing it and we are typing a message. So this is achieved from our so Ansible play in that class 14 we have detailed YouTube video, so and also a GitHub for the registry details. So actually registry is mainly used like to have our day-to-day activities in a customized way, like how we want to, like in our own words, so like that.
Okay, so basically register normally whenever you go, say for example, you are going to some environment, that environment you need to do some task based on some condition or based on some findings or based on some expectation, right? You know what is the condition, you know what is the expectation, correct? But you don't know whether mission 1 is applicable or not, mission 2 is applicable or not, correct, Raj?
Yes, Vijay.
So in that case, instead of going the predefined rule, I really suggest you first create a test missions with one success, one failure. If your focus is going to be say package, if it is this package is there, then I mean the particular version, then ignore it. If the particular version is not there, then go and do some update or remove that package.
Yes, Vijay.
Yeah, Ravi, okay, wait, Ravi, can you share your screen? Wait, we'll come back.
I need to create the Docker machine on AWS. If someone has already have that Tomcat configured, I can help. Like what step I got on the YouTube.
No. Your background is really having a lot of noise. We are not able to hear you properly.
Now is it clear?
Yes.
So I was saying, if someone has already the Tomcat configured, we can just go through the steps. Like
No. Leave it. I will create a POC and then I will send you the text file in a WhatsApp group after this call.
Okay. Can I continue?
Yeah. You can share your screen, Raj.
Okay. So it's already shared. Is it visible?
I think you okay, yes.
Okay.
So first you need to do is here your expectation is you need to check some packages. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm going to little bit change of procedure. Okay. So what is your actual condition now?
Okay.
Can you go back to that use cases?
Yeah, the use cases. So we are checking one of the packages installed or not. If there is, then we must print like the package is available. If not, it is not available. That's the first case.
Okay. Can you copy that in Notepad? That use case alone. Put it in a Notepad. So I'm going to ask you a couple of changes here. Okay. Just try. I will help you. My manager is suddenly changed the requirement. Okay, VSFTPD package is there or not? That is my expectation. But all machines, whatever having more than 2 core, two CPU, those machines only this security is applicable. In that case, how you achieve this? Machines with 2 CPU only this vulnerability is applicable. Either 1 CPU or 3 CPU servers is not applicable for this vulnerability. In that case, how you will go for it? Okay, first open your Ansible. Always I said, always open 2 window concept.
Yes.
Plus
Yes.
node 1 you should be in root. Node 2 also you should be in root.
Yes,
So,
I opened two nodes with root, and this one is a master. So master for editing the Vim file.
okay. So now clear out everything in the VM file. Clear out everything. No, you create a fresh. We'll go one by one. You create a fresh.
One YAML
file. Yes. VAM. Some package.yaml or whatever. Any file name. File name is not important. Anything. Even file1.yaml. Yeah, vsftp.yaml. Okay. Yeah, new file.yaml. Say file name is not important, but the one. Okay. First go with the first few the 5 steps. It's common for everything. Hyphen enter space name. No, just be some give some what you are going to do as part of this file. What you are going to do, because you need to give some clarity. We are going to check the machines. We are going to so something. It's up to you, but it should be some meaningful what you are trying. Okay, we are testing machines. Okay, now what are all missions you are going to do? Before going to tasks, you need to declare what are the missions, right? No. Not task, hosts. What are all missions you are going to try? Yeah, hosts, colon.
So I have 2 environment prod and backup. So
yeah, normally you need to give 1 success mission, 1 failure mission.
Okay.
This is how you need to create this playbook, and you can climb that. Okay, take this playbook and put it in a production. It will work. Ansible node 1, Ansible node 2. Okay, and now enter tasks, colon, enter. Bring the cursor. Yes. So no. Go near. No. Go to under T. Backspace. Wait. So here you completed all this, right? Now you need to about to start task. When you start a task, you need to be one side inside, one step inside. So yes, hyphen. So this is the task 1 or play 1. Raj.
Okay. So so this one based on the spacing, it will understand it's the play 1 has started like that. Right?
Yes, yes, yes. So here the indenting is the first 5. If you are good, then rest of the complete, it will be easy for everyone. Yeah, go ahead. So as part of this task 1, what you are trying, first I want to check the
CP.
HTTP package. No,
Okay,
first
HTTP.
HTTP package. Check the HTTP package. Okay, enter. You do it whatever command to achieve that, to check the package.
Okay. So
don't refer. Don't refer. No, go. I'll tell you.
Okay.
Command colon.
It's a straightforward
R-O-M-A.
Linux command.
Yes.
Where we will be checking whether the package has been installed or not.
Okay.
So
now
so
you forget about the CPU part.
Okay.
So now you do it, then we will amend it so that people will be clear. So go back the playbook.
Yeah,
Yes. So this command is checking this one, and the another machine. You try the same command. You first remove this. Yes.
I'm removing on the second machine. So now we have 2 cases, one successful and one failure.
Yes.
I'm just validating whether it's removed. Yeah, it's removed. So after this command, so as part of this register, the thumb rule which has given detail. So we have to first think what command, what is the simple Linux command. Then we have to go with the command module. So in that it will the register will tell the register is our own words. So we can give like a check package or anything. So the same one which we will be using it as a variable declaration in that next fourth line. Yeah. This third one is a JSON format. So JSON format is our
so here, whenever you get the register, whenever you get something in register, we are a layman, we don't know anything, right? So we will request machine to print that output. From the output, I'm a layman, I don't know anything. So from the output, I will create my condition. You are getting the point, Raj?
Yes.
Yeah. So check package. So
yeah.
wait. So here you mentioned the command, but you want to now create a condition, but you don't know the condition. What is the condition? I need to create it. So you are asking machine to create the output. From the output, you are going to confirm, okay, this is the condition, I need to put it. So enter. So the first thumb rule is whenever you do a register, immediately you need to print the output. How you will print? In a JSON format. How you will print the JSON format? There is a debug module. Yeah. Don't forget it. Actually, once you completed this playbook, this whatever task we are creating, you can remove it. It's really not needed. But till you complete the playbook, till you get the condition, you need this. No. Module name is debug.
Oh, sorry.
Module name is debug. Inside that debug module, there is a 2 functionality. One is var and okay, wait. So you have some confusion. Debug module, I need to put vars or var. Go to another window. I asked you to open a 2 server window, right? Putty window. 2 Ansible server window.
Yes, it's
there. Come down. Ansible -doc Ansible, no space. Ansible continuously. Ansible-doc. Ansible-doc space. Ansible-doc space debug. Enter.
So an example,
Okay.
debug.
See here. No. Okay. Can you go up? Scroll up. There will be a 2 option. Scroll up. So var and message and verbosity. So var means whenever you get a variable, if you want to print as an output as a JSON with a wrapping, then you need to use var, not vars.
Okay.
You got it, Raj?
Okay.
So that is why I'm always asking to open a 2 window. Don't everything is there. Man page. If you go with a man page, you will be really clear. There is no programming or no headache. So go back to the first putty window. So now, okay, now wait. So debug module inside function, subfunction, right? So you need to give one. Yes, correct. Now, what name you registered?
Yeah.
Check package. Yes. Type it. Okay. Just save it, but don't come out, so that you will save a lot of time. Save it. Okay, go back here, come out, press Q, come out. Okay, clear the screen, Control L. Control L. Okay. So now you execute this Ansible-playbook. This playbook. Okay. Okay, you are checking the syntax.
Yeah. Host name. Okay, host name is taken as a capital. So I'll copy from the Azure portal.
No, wait. No. Can you go back to the other server putty window? No, wait. Can I request a control?
Yes.
So that will be easy for me to do it. Okay, so here I'm going. Okay, I'm going here. I'm going to Ansible all -list.
Spelling.
Ansible all -list. Okay, Ansible node 1, node 2. Okay, so
It's
you have
given like a capital.
Okay, that is why. So instead of going all this, you have only 2, right? So simple. You go here, and just mention as all. That's it.
Okay.
So W right and come down here, down here. So can you go here? Okay. So now you run Ansible playbook.
Okay.
Syntax check. So you will get the okay. There is no syntax check. So I'm pressing Control L so that clear it out. So Ansible-playbook. Okay, and new file. Can you go on mute?
Yeah.
Go on mute. There is a lot of background noise. Okay, Ansible playbook, new file. Okay, so enter it. So here, if you see, you are generating the output. From this, you first copy this. This is how you need to keep learn. So from this output, okay, you take this output and go to your notepad. Go to notepad some empty notepad. Can you go for it? Yeah, can you paste it here? Okay, so now expand it. Okay, so here I hope everyone is seeing. So here I am a layman, I don't know anything, so that is why I want to print the output first. From this output I can generate a condition, check package dot std out, or check package rc, or check package. So anything you can take it, but it should be meaningful. So just go and check the successful machine. So go here. No, wait. Go here. So if you go above, right. Okay. Can you scroll up? Okay. If you see here, both output you paste it in the notepad. Here you are seeing std out from this. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say check package dot std out. Okay. Equal to null. Null means no package. Not equal to null. That means package is there. Correct. You can go here. So I'm going to say, wait, I'm just going to take it. So you can give this as a, so you can give like this condition. What condition you can give? Check package dot std out package. No, wait. Why it's not able to type? You type it. I'm not able to type. Check package PACKAGE check package dot std out space equal to null. No. Two double quote without any value. Two double quote. No, two double quote. Yes. So this means there is no package. Correct, Raj? Not equal to null. That means package is there. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So now my question is, this condition you understand. Now I want to apply this condition for only one CPU machine. Now what you will do? You are getting my question. I want to apply this HTTPD package, whatever HTTPD machines not installed, I need to install, but with one more condition. This has to be done only one CPU, two CPU machine, not one CPU machines. Then what you will do?
So similarly, one more condition we have to apply.
Okay, first you print it. First you go and create another two tasks. HTTPD is installed, HTTPD is not installed. You create those two play. I will also give you that idea. You create those two play, hyphen space. Indenting is once you mistake the indent, the troubleshooting will be really nightmare in Ansible. So please go very slow. Yes.
Yeah, now intending this MOBA one is very helpful, Vijay. Instead of putty, we cannot find this color code,
yes.
color differently.
No. Even in putty, you can open Vim. There is an option. You can go for it. But Mobile Extreme is more handy. Go for
Okay,
it.
thanks. So
print both messages.
Okay. So success and like that, Vijay. So one more So we have to type like this. Package is not installed and install like that, Vijay. Hello.
I think we need to check the condition when.
So yeah, so it's similar to this, like so we are till where check package. So next is like we are checking the condition like print httpd package is not installed. Then Vijay, I think you are in mute.
No. You go ahead. Go ahead.
Okay, yeah. So currently we have checked the package. So next we are going to print the message. So for printing message, we have two options like check package .std out. We checked from this command. So check package is the first one. So from that, with the different options we have in that std out working. First std out equal to null, then it's a package is installed. If not, a package is not installed. So that's a one. So similarly, we'll be typing it there.
Yeah. Now you create a condition, but my expectation is not this. I want to install, but with 2 CPU servers or some specific condition.
Okay.
No. Don't see the answer. So you have the condition, you take that condition, you do it.
Okay.
Yes. Enter. No. Debug, but you need to print it right. Your own message. Where you are printing.
So when we have to give?
Yeah, one side step inside, because debug subfunction is the message. No. Debug module, you need to do something, right? What variable or message? Message, yes. Variable means you are printing the existing collected register.
Okay.
Message means you are putting some message. Okay, go ahead. No, don't see any answer on anything. No, go for it. I think still you are not understanding logic. What do you want to do now? You want to print something, correct?
Yes, Vijay.
So for printing, what module we are using? Debug module.
Correct.
Go back to the next putty window. Open up Ansible-doc space debug. While learning, be very slow. Ansible space Ansible-doc space debug. Come down. Go to some example where the message is there.
Okay.
Okay,
So
wait. So you want to print your own message. Say my name is Rajkumar. Then how you will print? Debug, then message, then hyphen I am Rajkumar. Correct?
Correct.
Okay, go back to the putty window now. The other putty window where playbook is there. Okay, now within double quote, because it's not a one word, it's going to be one sentence. So saying that package has been installed in this machine. Something, because you are going to again see the output. While seeing the output, the message which you are printing, it should help you rather than it should not confuse again. Correct?
Correct.
No, wait. When is not a debug module subfunction.
Okay.
Right? Wait. I'll explain. Go to the other putty window.
So
Okay.
it's intent.
No. Okay. Here, scroll up. Are you seeing anything when? Scroll up.
No, only where and.
Only where, message, and verbosity. So where? No, go. Okay. So is there any option like when you are seeing? No, right?
No, Vijay.
So then go back to the putty window. Then how come you are putting when as a subfunction? So you need to bring the when Correct. No, correct. Debug. One inside. So if you bring the cursor to W. Yeah. No. Wait. So press up cursor. See here. Are you seeing the same indent?
Correct.
Yeah. So whenever you use any module, that module subfunction only you need to bring it inside. Otherwise, you need to put in the same order. Are you clear?
Oh, yes, Ajay.
So now you printed HTTP is installed. Now you print HTTP is not installed.
Okay.
No, you need to create another task.
Oh,
You need
so
to create
that
another
should be
task.
separate.
Whenever
Okay,
you use any module, then you need to start with it.
Okay.
Another task. Otherwise, the troubleshooting will be really painful. If you not create one task, you need to start with -name. One task, if you do any module, that module subfunction should be inside. So if you follow this, then it will be easy for you to get rid of this Ansible. Ansible is not a programming. Seriously, Ansible is not a programming. You need to apply a logic. Where, what, and when. Package is not installed because you are the person who is going to see that message. So it should be some meaningful. Okay. The next one only I'm going to ask the actual scenario. Okay. When check package not equal to null.
So this one?
No, wait. Actually, you are putting. Okay, go ahead. There is a. No, go ahead. Okay, now anyone tell me what is his mistake? Okay, wait. The first condition what you did, package is installed. Package is installed means equal to null or not equal to null.
So putting opposite way, right?
So instead of copy paste, you go and first condition you change it not equal to null. Second condition you change it to equal to null. So that is why I asked you to put in the notepad first understand which condition for what purpose. Okay, now you did it. So save and execute and make sure you are getting the right information. First point. Come out of this queue. Okay, now execute the playbook.
Every time that syntax check is not required, Vijay. So
No.
That's our understanding.
If you want, you can do it. Otherwise, so now package 1. So that is a node 1 is packages installed. Node 2 is packages not installed. Correct?
Correct.
Now you need to install HTTPD.
Correct. So where the machine is not
Machine should have minimum 2 CPU. You should install. How you will achieve this?
Okay, so now we are checking the CPU part.
So how you will ensure? Yes, Asaruddin. Yes, see here the Asaruddin given some clue. So can you go back to the other putty window? Another putty window, the next putty window. Okay, so here Ansible space because the factors you cannot go with all. You can go with only one machine because the output is big. Ansible, no, Ansible, not -doc. Simple Ansible space. Type one machine name Ansible node 1 𝐴 𝐵 Ansible -m no space -m setup. Enter. This is the factors you can generate for that machine. Okay, slowly scroll and see where the CPU related condition is coming. Slowly scroll up. If you see anywhere CPU word, you stop it. Scroll up. Scroll up. Wait. So wait. There, no, it's there. Scroll down, a little bit scroll down. Okay, see here, the processor core is 1 because we have created virtual machine, even Ansible server, even the node 1, node 2, we created with 1 CPU. Is that correct, Raj?
So the master alone I have with the 2.
Okay, master means we are not going to use master, right? So
yeah, this alone D2.
No. I'm giving example, so you can do it later.
Okay.
Minimize it. So can you copy that entire line? Ansible underscore processor underscore cores. No. The first one. Yeah. Core equal to 1. Put it in a notepad. This is how I learn Ansible initially. So enter it. So if you see this, I want to convert this as a condition. Okay, instead of that colon, you remove that colon. Yeah, even the double quote initially also you can remove it. Yeah. So Ansible underscore processor underscore cores. So there is a 2 way of conditions, Raj. You need to understand. One is custom condition, which we are creating it now. Now you know how to create a custom condition, correct?
Yes.
Whenever you want to create a custom condition, you need to take it as a register. I'm a layman. We don't know anything. That is why we want to print that output. From that output, I can create a condition. You are getting this clear?
Yes, Ajay.
But the another way, there are a couple of predefined conditions also is there. You no need to go and create it. Already the factors output, whatever you are seeing, the huge output, everything as a, you can make it as a condition easily. For those, you no need to go and register and get, no, it's straightforward. They already have those functions, right? So we used to call it as a factors. So now use this. I want you to install, make the values to. Okay, now in this notepad itself, if you want to install HTTPD, how you will create that play? Can you type it here itself, notepad, before go to the putty? Can I type? Because it will be very fast. So
okay.
So if you ask me, I can go. I'm not able to type. Okay, name install HTTPD. Is it correct? So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to say what is the module I can use? M module, correct?
Yes.
Okay, M module, and then I'm putting enter. Is it visible, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so here M module.
Just a clarification on that intent. So that starting point 1 space we are giving, right? If you give 2 space, will it accept or exactly 1?
No, I will tell you in performance tuning class. Yes, but you need to add some parameters. By mistake, if you think you are not good in typing, there are ways, easiest way to handle. But we will discuss it later. Now, if I give that, people will be lazy.
Okay.
So name, what is the package name? HTTPD. If you want to have any specific version, you can say this version specifically. I'm just giving. But as of now, I will go with normal HTTPD. Okay, so I'm going to remove this so that it will be easy for everyone to watch it. Okay. So here, HTTPD, is everyone visible? So HTTPD here, what we need to do? State equal to latest or installed or whatever, right? So now,
One clarification in the state also. So state will give us present absent, right? So in what
Okay,
install?
we will go all present. That means the package, whatever versions you are here saying 2.8.01, this version always has to be present. If it is not there, it will be installed. So if you want to install, then this version also install. The present and install means present, it will ensure this version is there, the equivalent to installed. But absent means it will remove this particular version. It will not touch the other versions.
Okay.
Okay. And so now what we are going to do is
Latest.
there is a latest also. So say assume your repository is having two versions, right? So now if you give a latest, then it will only touch the latest version and it will update. So that also you need to be very careful while doing this. Okay. Now I want to install HTTPD. Now you know this, right?
Yes.
So now I want to install this only when I see only two processor machine. Then simple. You need to go to the correct intention when. Where is the condition? This is the condition, right?
Correct.
Okay, I'm going to copy this. Are you clear it now? So there is a one way of condition you create using register. There is another way of condition. You can use the existing factor variable as a condition. Is everyone clear? Whatever I explained. There is a two way of condition we can go for it. One is the you create your own condition, that is the register. And if you want to go the factor variables also, even you can go with this one. What is the other output you can get? Say for example, I want to install this only for specific CentOS 7, not CentOS 6 machine, right? So you have a CentOS 6 machine, Red Hat 8, everything. No, wait. You don't move the mouse. See, suppose you want to have this only for a kernel base. So here you scroll up. So you want to do this only for Ansible, whatever machine starting with Ansible machine names. So you can even achieve, or you can want to go for only Red Hat based OS. Yes, it's possible. Then the kernel, I want to install or do this or remove or restart only machines are having this kernel type. Still is possible. Ansible underscore proc underscore command line dot boot image equal to this image. Still is possible. You can convert all this as a conditions. Even you want to target only specific machines which are starting with UUID in this. You can create a condition. So you need to understand clarity between the custom condition as well as the custom condition. You need to take a register, you need to print it from the output, you create a condition. The Ansible factor also, it will be really useful, but please understand the difference between the factor variable, factor output. That is why whenever you run any playbook, the factors by default it will run. Okay, go above.
Vijay, one clarification. This when going for factor, so in our playbook we have to mention that setup, which now we run the setup and we are looking right. So that one we need to include in our playbook, or it will by default from system it will take.
Wait, in that case, you never go with the good understanding. Okay, by default factors will be there. Okay, I'll just I want to show you a couple of things. So go here, go up. See here, Ansible kernel. Suppose you want to do some task only this kernel machines, right? Basically, you have a 1,000 servers. So you go and copy this. Go here. Go here. Go here. How do you do it? Simple. You paste this condition. Okay, and first you remove this with a proper formatting. Ansible equal to This one. Are you getting this, Raj, and
Yes.
everyone? So simple. I want to do this task. This task can be anything, but you first mention this task and say when, and you can mention your condition. This condition either you created from your own custom register or from your factor variables. So this is how you need to understand Ansible. Ansible is very easy. Ansible is not a programming. Seriously, it's not a programming. Only thing is the logic. If you are good in Linux, you can do this very well.
Okay.
Now you understand, right? Those who are not willing to go Linux, they are the one who keep saying, I am not able to do it Ansible. I'm not able to do DevOps automation. I'm not able to do any automation. These are the people. So Linux is really mandatory going forward. Of course, if you know Linux, to be frank, you no need to spend even single money for training. You can do everything in your home itself. Okay, so now if you copy this, we will do it. So I'm going here.
Sorry.
I'm
next
going
one.
Yeah, I'm going here. Somehow it's very slow. So I'm just going to enter. Going for the correct intention. Before I paste, always I say set paste.
I already said. So when page is
Okay.
opened, it's again needed, Ajay, or once.
No. I was not aware. So only one time is enough. One session, one time is enough. So I'm just going to paste it.
I think in next page it is not copied properly.
Yeah. Because it's a mobile extreme, we need to right click and paste it.
Now, when click on the next tab, the empty space has been copied. So I think again we have to copy.
Okay, no, wait. Can you just copy that?
Okay.
Because I just want to show you how this works. It's actually is easy. But whenever there is a change of condition in your project or change of condition in your interview or change of condition in the exam, the DevOps exam, you need to apply these logics. It's very simple, but the thing is you need to ask questions like this. Okay, better you type it also instead of copy. It's very easy to type it. Yeah. So press insert, bring the cursor to the correct thing. Yeah, hyphen space name. Just type something. We don't want to waste our time because I want to show you a couple of things after the break. Just type something, not mandatory. Just enter yum enter colon enter and name.
Yeah. Name will be intend.
Yeah, because it's a yum module sub function. So always if you define module, then your sub function will be one side inside. Enter. Yeah.
No. Inst command, right?
State. What do you want to do?
Yeah, latest.
You defined latest. Enter. So now you apply the condition. When colon. Now when colon. No. When should not have colon. Yeah. Now copy paste that condition. CPU cores. Yeah. So now copy paste and save it and execute from other window. But this time when you execute, do one thing. You ask the factors question, right? So type the command before enter. Don't press enter. Type Ansible-playbook, the playbook name. Press Control L so that it will clear the screen. Ansible-playbook. -playbook. Yeah. Space. -step. Okay.
So it will ask every time our.
No, it's okay. But are you defined anywhere to collect the factors? No, right?
No.
Enter. Okay.
Gathering
See here,
factor.
it's a default behavior. Okay. If your playbook is nowhere related to any gathering factors, please disable it, because now maybe 2 machines just for testing, but in production it's going to be a 300 servers, it's going to be a 500 servers, it's going to be 1,000 servers. So it will take lot of time, lot of efforts.
Okay, so
if your playbook doesn't have any related factors functionality, please disable it. I will tell you how to disable. Okay, you just perform the task. Just say continue so that you no need to do a yes. Okay. C, continue, enter. So now, can you see the last one? Why it's skipping?
Because the CPU is less than 2.
Yes, that's it. So you can have a good difference on the custom conditions and the predefined conditions. Both will have lot help most of your deliverables. Okay, can you go back to the first putty window?
Yeah.
Okay, before go to host:all. Okay, go to insert mode and press enter. No. After host all, not before that. Between host and task, you need to create this line. Okay, gather_facts, false. gather_facts false.
Can I save and run again?
Yes, save and run. So can you run without any -hyphen step? Ansible-playbook, directly that playbook name. Can you see anything gathering factors now?
No, at the beginning it's not showing.
Yeah, see why when you disable the facts collection, come down. There is a error. Why? Previously it was working. Why? Come down. The last error.
Because now the CPU value is not able to check. So now it's showing there.
Yes, because that variable, since machine doesn't understand, because it's not collected. So that is where your playbook, if not having anything related to factors, you can disable it. If it is there, then you should not disable.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Yeah, so we will go with some 10 minutes break, then we will resume it.
Okay.
Okay.